everybody, today I'm going to be reviewing the Breville Smart Countertop Oven, and I'm so excited to show you this. I absolutely love this toaster oven. I've had it for probably about 4 years now, and it's definitely the longest lasting toaster oven I've ever had. It's because it's just like built so well and it's easy to clean. That's probably the main reason I've been able to keep it so long, is because it's so easy to clean compared to other ones that I've had. And it has many features so that you can really do so many things in here. You can cook and bake and even broil in here. Like, it's just so nice. So I've got it plugged in right now, and let me just show you how to use it. Like, they've got all these different settings right here. Like, if you turn it to bake, all that you would have to do would be set your time and then just press it again to start it. And then you can set your time and temperature here and then press the start. And then it really preheats in no time. And what also I really like about this is that the oven turns off by itself. So if you like, you really don't have to worry about leaving it turned on or leaving it plugged in even, because any recipe you choose, anytime, any setting on here, it will automatically turn off when it's done cooking. So it comes with this tray on the inside, which is really nice because I actually baked a full-size pie in here the other day. And with homemade pies, like, they tend to overboil. So even though it overboiled, and you sure wouldn't want that to happen in your full-size oven because it would be a nightmare to clean, but in here, all you have to do, like, if something were to happen or you have to clean it, you just want to take this out, and this can go in the dishwasher. And then what also is really nice about this is the bottom part of the oven comes out, so you can just scrub this down with warm soapy water, and anything on here will come right off, and that really just will keep it clean and keep it lasting for many years. So I'm going to leave a link below if you decide you want to purchase this for this exact model. I'm going to leave 2 links. One is for the regular size, and then one is for the extra large size. Hope you enjoy.